Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Saleem. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to search to list a house. Let's get into it. Click here. Okay, we come to the screen and then let's say that I have to lease a house whose address is 26220 Andover. There are two ways we can do it. One is go to search, residential search, quick search. And now I am looking for houses pending, sold, and active, and I'm doing it for lease this time. So what I'll do is transaction type, I'll put down lease here. One way to do it is I just put the address here, 26220 Andover. See, a house, the address comes up here. I click this and I get 6 houses, 6 results, okay? So this is one active, which is the itself, one pending at 975, and these are the sold ones, 1090, 1200, 1200, and 1300. Now this is only quarter mile distance. Now, if you see this result, you click here map, you should see the red dot is showing me the house that I'm going to list, and the blue ones are the active and the black one is pending. So let's go back to criteria. If you don't have enough listing in the area, you can increase to half a mile and see we got 10 more houses result. And you go to map, you get that many houses. So try to do it the minimum distance. If you can get enough houses, that's good. If not, then you can increase that. So this is very basic search. In this search, we are not comparing the bedrooms or bathrooms or anything. But if we add here, let's say 3 plus, we had 6, now we got 4. So any restriction you want to add, you can do this. And by doing this, you can email this to your seller and tell them what the houses are running for, and you decide at what price you want to lease it. The other method is we don't do by the mapping, and we go by subdivision. Look at the listing, Andover, search it. Here's the listing. You go down where there's a property ID, legal description. This is your subdivision, pick up sub. Okay. In every listing, when you go to legal description, it gives you the subdivision. Here it says Nikab sub. Here is the subdivision. So you go back there, go to search. Okay. Active, pending, sold. And you go to subdivision and you type Nikab sub. You select that. Now you got 4 listings. Although I have not selected a lease, it's only 2 for lease. So in this subdivision, there are only 2. One is sold, one is pending. Let's go back to criteria. Most of the time in the subdivision, you don't get too many comps. So then you have to either go with the distance or delete this subdivision and go to this area and you type Inkster here. Okay. Now I got 47 listings in Inkster. So I restrict my bedroom, 1 bath, basement, no, garage, yes. See, now you have come down to 3 listings. 2 in the same subdivision and 1 is further. Now, if you look at the map, it will show you how far. These are the 2 solds, and this is the 1 active. Now, since we are doing a general search, we are not doing the map search, so it's not showing us the property. It's not giving you the red dot on the map. Now, if your house is here somewhere, then don't select this and you select this. Click here, and click here. Go to results, and you see you have selected 3 properties that matches the listing. So you go to email and you do the email as we explained earlier. This is for the leases. And the same thing you can do if you want to listing for a sale. Nothing changes except you come here and put down for sale. You can do whatever restrictions you want to add. You can go with the map search. You can go with the city search, or you can go with the subdivision search. Let's say if I say Mikab sub, I got 2 listings for sale. One is pending for 110, and the other one is sold for 73. So this is how you do the comps for your sale and leases. The only difference for buyers, you only do active and coming, but for sellers, you do the pending and sold. Now, one more thing I want to add here, just to give you an idea, that you can restrict to condominium or residential. When you do the searches for the seller, you don't put the price range because you want to know what price the house is worth. So by screening the houses as much as possible to the subject, you can get a good estimate of the price. Okay, again, if you have any question, just contact me.